Okay, guys, we are moving. Yeah, so it's a little bit before 10 to 10, and we're rolling. Yeah, good thing we're rolling. So I'm supposedly about 35 in line, but no matter. I think Arizona Dan, or Speedy as they call him, said I could park my usual spot, which would be good. Yeah, we'll just kind of speed this up a little bit. I'll kind of ride around through the pits. It'll pretty much be empty. I'll do a lot of rolling through the pits so you guys can see we're at gate 4 right now. You got to go all the way around the main gate. Yeah. The weather, yeah, it's going to be warm, guys. The weather's going to break for eliminations, I think, but for the most part, for class and everything, it's going to be just hot and humid. You know, typical southern weather, but sometimes typical Indy weather. I mean, I've been here when it's been 60 degrees, believe it or not. All right, guys, we are rolling. Didn't have the audio on too loud in the beginning, so we're almost at the main entrance. I thought I had my audio on. Well, we'll see in the editing, but I'm just gonna kind of speed this up and till we kind of get in the stacking area, and yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys, that was a fun little trip in there. You guys see this all to my right here? This is where all the pros park. And next year, now I don't know if you guys can notice, we'll get up close. There's no more tower. I don't know what they're doing for a tower. I have no idea how that setup's going to be. But all this area is for the pros, the blacktop there. I mean, they put sportsmen out here like alcohol and comp and stuff like that. But this is a little pro area. Well, this is going to be the sportsman pit next year if they finish. I don't know how it's going to be as far as I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know how it's going to be as far as where they're going to park us, or if they're going to redo this. Because when it rains, there's some low spots here. It gets pretty bad out here. But and as you can see, it's not the best. So I don't know if they're going to tear this up or just leave it alone. But just interesting. If you guys don't know that, but they're redoing this whole track. But who knows when the time frame for this is? Supposedly next year, the pros will be on the other side, and they'll redo everything on that side, which is hard to believe, but it's a lot of work on that side to get it all level and everything. All right, guys, we are stopped at the head of looks like to be the 4th line, so it's about right, 35 rigs. Anyway, we'll see. I'd probably be a while before they start parking us, so I'm probably going to take a walk and see where my spot is. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, we are rolling again, and yeah, we'll kind of speed this up, go to my normal spot. It's just right up over the grade right here, and yeah. So we'll have more. This is the end of, well, it's not the end of part 2. I'm going to run around the pits real quick. I want to show you what the tower looks like, and then I'll have other videos tomorrow and photos. I'll get some photos today also. But yeah, so this is the spot. They roll right in, and yeah. All right, guys. Okay, guys, let's go for a cruise. And after we're parked here and all set up, and we're going to go run by the tower. Let's go see the new tower. I think it's going to be pretty interesting. yeah, so I took a picture of the tower, and I just wanted you guys to check it out and get your thoughts. I got my opinions and thoughts, but I'm just not sure. Let's see if I can get through over here. Still open, yeah. And just let me know, guys, what you guys think of. I guess it's a temporary tower. Yeah. So there it is, folks. So, yeah. That's our temporary tower. And your thoughts and opinions, you know, you can put it in the forum, or you can put it on the, you know, you members can give us a thought about what you think of the tower. As you guys can see, it's two containers stacked onto each other. Very interesting. Painted it white. But yeah, let me have your opinion on the tower. This is where the old tower was. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I'm kind of flabbergasted. Anyway, yeah, post something on the forum or on this video. If you're a member, you can post something on the forum. If not, post something on the video. I just love to hear your opinions. Again, I have my thoughts, but I'm going to keep it to myself. So yeah, so I'm going to ride through the pits later. I just wanted to show you guys that real quick after I got parked. And as you can see, nobody left for parking, and a bunch of guys already parked here. And it's warm, man. It is warm, but it's an indie. We can deal with it. So let me know, guys, what you think. And I know I keep repeating myself, but and then I'm gonna have some more videos later, or another video later. I'll ride through the pits. But right now, I'm gonna go and shoot some photos. There's some cars out, and I get some nice photos of. Oh, here we go, the Downing Mustang. And yeah, so I want to get some photos. It's warm out, but and we're gonna do videos all week, but should be good. Okay, guys. Oh, there's Larry Hill. Okay, guys. We'll be back later.